Let me start this video by asking you a question. How often do you use Google Tools on Chrome? Well, I use them daily. I use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides pretty much every day. In fact, I also maintain my daily tasks in Google Keep, and I'm sure that you use these tools as often as me. Hello and welcome back to the Tech Blackboard. In this video, I will tell you some of the very handy but powerful shortcuts that you can use every day and improve your daily productivity with Google Tools.
So,
Let me first
let me first
demonstrate you how
demonstrate you
normally
how
people
normally
work
people
with Google
work with
Docs,
Google
Google
Docs, Google
Slides, Google
Slides,
Sheets,
Google
or
Sheets,
Google
or
Keep.
Google Keep.
And then I will
And
show
then I
you
will show
the
you the
optimized way
optimized
of
way
doing the
of
same.
doing the same.
So now I
So
am
now I
at my
am
Google Chrome browser. So I have opened a new tab. I will open my Google home page. This is my Google home page. I'm already logged in. As you can see, this is my channel home page. And then if you see quite closely, I'm here on the top right corner. Here you can see this ellipse and which says Google Apps. Click on this. And now let's say I want to open Google Docs. So I will scroll down here. I have so many options here. We have Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides, and many others. So I will choose Google Docs, click on Google Docs. So as soon as I click, it opens me this page, which presents me a lot of templates. So I can choose any of the already existing templates, or if I want to create a new blank Google Doc, I can just simply click here on this plus sign and click on this. And now here I am presented with a new Google Doc. So here I can just start typing my new Google Doc. Okay, so this is how I normally would create a new Google Doc. Similarly, let me show you how I would open a Google Sheet in a normal way. So similar fashion, I will go to my Google home page. Then I will scroll down here and now I will select this Google Sheets. So once I have selected the sheets, similar to what we saw in Google Docs, it will also present me with some of the templates which are already existing, or else if I want to just create my new document, I can just create this plus sign here and this will open a new blank spreadsheet and I can start typing my numbers or the formula or whatever I want to do with the spreadsheet. Okay, so now this is similar for other Google documents as well. So for example, we have already seen Google Docs or Google Sheets, and similarly we can open Google Slides or Google Keep. So every time we have to go to this right hand corner and where we select uh, the option that we want to open, so it takes a lot of time. So for a power user like me who actually works with the documents or spreadsheets or Google Sheets, make presentation many times a day, this is a rather time consuming process and I want to save my time in every bit of work that I do. So is there an optimized way? Definitely there is. So let me show you the optimized way which will save you a lot of time while working with Google documents. So now let me show you. So in this new style of working, you just go to a new tab. Okay, you don't even need to open any Google home page. Just go to a new tab. Now let me show you how I can open a Google document. So you just simply type doc.new and press enter, and this is your new Google Doc. Do you notice? In this method, there was no need to even open the Google homepage. Forget about scrolling through the list of Google apps and finding your app, clicking the new button, and then it will take you to a new document. In this style, just go to a new tab, put a command, press enter, and voila, you are done. Your document is ready for you to consume it. Similarly, not only for docs, I will show you for others as well. For example, let me show you for the sheet. So you just have to type sheet.new, and this will create a new Google spreadsheet for you. Okay, and then I will show you how you can open slide.new. This will open Google Slides for you. So this, and you can start working and creating your wonderful presentation. And then similarly for the keep, so keep.new, here is a new keep window. You can start taking your notes, or you can start putting your reminders here, edit labels, or whatever you do normally in the keep. So this is a very efficient ways, guys. Do use it. But before we end the video, I want to tell you one more pro tip, that whenever you are using doc, slide, or sheets, if you just keep in mind that even if you will use the plural, so for example, you can either put doc.new, this will also open a new document, right? However, even if you put docs.new, this will also bring up a new document. So both the commands works well. You can use any of them. You can use doc.new or docs.new, or similarly you can use sheet.new or sheets.new. And similarly I can show you for slide. So either you press slide.new, or you can also use slides.new. So just note that I'm using slides here, so it's a plural. So even if you type plural, you use singular, both works pretty fine. Okay, yeah. So just keep one thing in mind, that this won't work for keep. So in keep you need to use keep.new. You cannot use keeps.new. So that will not work. That will result in an error. So you cannot use keeps.new, only keep.new. I'm sure this small video will help you in a big way and save your valuable time working with Google Tools. If this video has added any value in your learning, a like and subscribe is highly appreciated. Share this video in your family and friends to spread and expand their learning. Your comments and feedback give me a chance to interact with you, and I look forward for them. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.